the Likha 3 program at the PICC in Pasay City earlier today. The Likha program serves as a venue for Filipino artisans to showcase their talents and products. It is also an opportunity to connect companies for possible business collaborations.
This is really a dream for us, not only branded fashion designers, but even construction, even interior design, even urban planners. This is where you will be able to get the right inspiration, no? In terms of the Filipino sensitivity to our expressions. So, patterns, colors, volume, proportion, no? You will, kasi dito mahahasa ang mata mo sa likha.
This includes traditional Filipino dresses and other attire from various tribes in the Philippines. Also present are Filipino-made products such as tables and chairs made of hardwood from Mountain Province.
Malaki naman po ang may tutulong itong likha. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Ma'am Lisa na na-invite po kami dito, na nakasali din po kami dito para promote din po namin yung mga produkto po namin sa Ifugao.
And of course, the famous lanterns from Pampanga, along with household items and many more products from other provinces. All of these items are guaranteed to be of high quality and reflect the culture of our ancestors.
Malaking utang na loob namin dito dahil ito yung naging hanap buhay namin. So, kailangan namin i-preserve ito na ipagpatuloy ng aming mga anak.
According to one of the organizers of Likha, First Lady Marcos' support for such campaigns is highly beneficial.
Because as First Lady, the fact that you see the wife of the president supporting and wearing all these things is well enough, and that's how important it is.
Isang napakalaking break sa akin. Kasi doon, katulad mo, nag-interview. Kailangan masabi ko yung mga dapat ginagawa ng isang sculptor, isang artist. Pati yung paano pagpalaki ng artist na bata, pupunta sa maging matanda na siya.
Likha is open to the public beginning tomorrow, June 7 until June 11, 2024 at Forum 2 and 3 of the PICC, and ready to accommodate those who wish to buy or support Filipino-made products.
Nabigyan pansin kami mga panday, artisan sa Bangsamoro, na lalo na sa province of Lanao at sa municipality of Tugaya. Kaya yung galak namin na pasasalamat sa ating First Lady po.
Nakikiusap ako na kung gusto nyo makakita ng mga gawa ng mga Pilipino, handmade, kaya nga may sarili tayo.